Hustling, man. We here, I don't know if y'all cats know this spot right here, you feel me? In town business. Shit. I got stopped at the scale. For a hub seal leak. Hub seal leak. Shit, I just replaced this motherfucking hub seal. And now, you feel me, got stopped, but I don't know why I want to break today, but we about to fix this shit. And I'm gonna show y'all how easy this shit is. Easy, quick fix. If I had the tools, I'd do it my damn self. So yeah, check this shit out. Truck wash, portable, oil change, tires, brakes, whatever just about you need. Come down, y'all in this area. Oh y'all, San Leandro Street, Oakland. I want to say 82nd area. You feel me? 85th. I'm not quite sure, but you feel me? Grandma's Cookies right over that thing. Burrito shop, you get something to eat. And get a motherfucking SF Oakland truck stop fuel. So yeah, man. We get this motherfucking truck fixed for y'all and see how easy it is to fix a hub seal leak. Yeah, first and foremost, you gotta have a jack, air pressurized jack or something. At least as close as good. In that thing. Lift up, you see that? Air jack, baby. It's usually pushed up on. See. You got it on the springs, I think. One of the springs. Yeah, one of the springs. Or if not, you got it on that axle. But I don't think the last company that just fixed it, I don't think they did that. I think they just took the seal off and put that motherfucker back on. Probably why it hasn't worked. Easy fix, man. Take off all them little lug nuts. That's for the seal, not the tire. The seal right behind it. Caught that thing on off and changed that motherfucker. Excuse my friend, change that thing. The right side, and we're good. Come on down, man. It would be crazy over here. It's still early. It's gonna get crazy. I'm not sure what's in that thing. What you got up in here? That's gas? That's for that too? Yeah? Oh, clean. I knew. I figured that. You gotta clean it with the gas, clean that oil and shit off. Make sure you do your daily inspection. See, I've been doing this shit for a while. So, I'm real. I ain't, motherfucker know, you feel me, who I work for. I ain't fucking around. I'm not driving nothing nuts, you feel me? Air leaks, tires, mud flaps. See, I know this guy for a very long time, so he know I'm about my money. And I know these roads, at least where I work at, I know what I'm doing. So, nigga, I'd blow a scale if I had to. I'd find another road to go around that motherfucker if I had to. You feel me? And the whole shit. Today, I forgot to do my log books, but like right before I got to the scale, I'm driving and doing my log books. You feel me? Only a few hours, I keep up on my shit. Real easy. Yeah, but leaks, I try to inspect everything. I don't do a tidy job every day. I already know my truck. But you feel me? Things happen. That seal leak wasn't like that this morning. But I was kind of looking at it like, why is dirt splats around it? You feel me? That happens and shit. Too bad it happened today. I don't know why it had to happen today. Things happen. crazy, man. The press of a button, something happen like that. Sometimes I just don't get it. But you just gotta hold everybody word, sitting on the thing. What happened to this? I ain't never seen that. See that? This is not, I'm missing the chrome western lines. So I need a boat. I'm gonna ask for a boat. I ain't never seen that. Like that damn dude probably took it off. I gotta get that fixed. I probably have seen it. I gotta get that fixed though. That's different. Never seen that shit before. Man, shit. Yeah, man, do your inspection. Y'all want me to do a walk around video? Show y'all how simple it is, and it's not what people think it is. About the tires and how thick it's supposed to be. What's that, 3/4 of an inch? No abrasions, bubbles, or cuts. So everything that's rubber on your car or your truck is that's the part. You understand me? No abrasions, bubbles, or cuts. Mud flaps, good condition. You got your reflectors in the side of your truck. No holes, good condition. Not work. Lights, good condition. Good hang. It's there, not missing. Bumper, tail lights. You feel me? Doors open properly, not bent or broken. Latches work. You feel me? Stuff like that. I could go over it all of this whole truck. My sis just came over to the house the other night. Shit, I just ran it through her. You feel me? Let her know how simple it is. She came talking about, oh, it's a lot and this and that. Yeah, start off thinking a lot, but drive this thing, it ain't that bad. It ain't. Don't trick your mind and saying it's a lot. It ain't a lot. Real easy. Just get your patterns and what you saying down. And shit, anybody can do it. I did it. I study. I make sure I study and know my shit. And there's a few videos online that you'll get a pattern down and how you want to say it, and start going over it like that. Get more familiar with the truck. I didn't see it all. Y'all go back and check out my videos and broken shit. You feel me? I have broken floors. I know this shit. Alright. Touch up, you got your brake chambers. You feel me? Not leak and not out of adjustment. Adjusted to the right specs. The hoses, no leaks, no abrasions, bubbles, or cuts. You feel me? In good condition. Leaf springs, good working order. You feel me? Not, what is it? Not warped, bent, or missing. You feel me? Bam, that worked. And then what you got? My drums, not expanded. Good working order. Free of grease and oil. My brakes is what? 3/4 inch. Good working order. Good condition. You feel me? Good condition, good working order. You feel me? Whatever. Real simple, man. Just go over the same shit. It's the same part. All rubber, no abrasion, bubbles, or cut. Metal, free, no oil, leaks, and grease. You feel me? Not even cracked or broken. You feel me? Good order. You make sure your brakes is 3/4 inch thick. You feel me? Shit like that. So yeah, man. Shit easy. Go over that. So bam, let's get back to this shit. So he pulled off he loosened up all the screws, pulled this thing out. Not sure what that is. What's that, the inner axle? You know what that is? What that called?
What?
The axle?
That's all?
This right here. What's this?
That's your shaft.
This shaft. You can pull that out of rear end of a car, your shaft. So y'all probably know what that is. So bam, I'm cleaning the shaft. That's probably what they didn't do. They sand everything down. It don't look like it was freshly sanded down. Look at that. Cleaning that shit off. That's what you're supposed to do. Clean the surface of any gasket. Cars, if you're replacing it, clean the surface of it. And I don't think he did that. He changed it out hella fast. That's one of them little bogus ass mechanics. Expensive shop. Come here to the hood, you understand me? Get that shit done right. That shit down right, man. Clean that shit up. Taking care of for you, you understand me? Got easy tools. You ain't gotta do much. Simple fix, man. So simple, I don't see how this shit works. You see me? Look at that. Look out here. Don't do shit, bro. This job, stay away from bullshit, bro. But you get in bullshit like this, you just gotta be smart on the road. You is dealing with polices and shit with the truck skills. So, motherfuckers get in this game and fall out real fast. You just gotta be smart. You know how to wiggle. You know how to avoid the motherfucking bullshit. Even when you riding dirty, avoid the bullshit. It's about, I always tell the person who I'm working for, you like family, my dispatch, motherfucking boss or whatever. It's my motherfucking truck, I don't give a fuck. But I always tell them, bro, I'm in this shit to get my money, bro. I ain't trying to pay no tickets or none of that shit. So make sure my shit legit. Stay legit, bro. We learned that from a young age from the OG. Stay legit, bro. That's what it's about. The seal. See, look. Probably gonna have to clean all that shit out. You feel me? Seal go right on that bitch. That's the old seal, which was the new seal. Already tore the fuck up, which is crazy. Clean that motherfucker out. Slap that bitch back on. Tighten up. Throw the woo-wop down. And we done. We out of here. You understand me? Real easy and simple. Got the gasoline for the queen. That shit easy. And if you is a mechanic, you feel me? You could buy a used nice truck. And I ain't seen cats fix their own truck. This shit probably easier than a car to fix. Honestly. It's just more money though. Once you break down, you gotta make sure you got money in the bank if you looking to own your own shit. We got motor over there. Big motor. Let's take that motor out. Got a big motor over there. Going in the motherfucking truck. And yeah. Hey, what's up, boss man? How y'all doing? Hey, what kind of motor is this? What kind of motor is this?
Mac.
That's a Mac? Mac Cummins or something like that, or what?
Mac.
It's all Mac motor? Okay. How much does usually cost to drop in the truck?
20,000.
20,000?
Use it.
20,000 flat.
Only the part.
Only the part.
Yeah. Only the engine.
And what you charge for labor?
10,000.
10,000? So like 30,000 altogether? So you gotta have your money right before you get in this game, huh?
Too much money.
That's too much money. That's down that new truck, 30,000.
I know.
Shit. So it's a Mac, boy. That's Mac make their own shit. Got hurting 20,000. It's people falling off. They can't afford that damn bill. Shit, and they going back to working. So get your paper up. But it's under warranty. If any leaks, all that leaks, and they get back on the road, all you gotta pay for is labor. They'll change out the part for that motherfucker. I got a new motor. Check out my shit. $20,000. You heard him? Money in this. Money in it. It gotta be niggas affording 20,000 motors. Niggas can't even get that 10,000 motor for a car. Shit. Along $20,000 for a fucking truck. Check out my motor. See, before I had this truck, recently got it, and then it had a little running spot along the head. So what happened was, since it's under warranty, they took it back and they changed out the head. They said it's a new motor though. I ain't got no leaks. None of that shit. Runs fucking pretty good. This side pretty much looks basic. Wonder how the air filter look, but yeah, man. 20,000. You heard him. Get your bag right. Get your bag right. Shit. And don't be buying them lame ass trucks. And like I said, if you ready to fix it up, fix that shit up yourself. Then get out here. Some people do that. Or get your bag right. Or get your credit right. Buy you a nice ass new truck. Even new trucks give out, but they're under warranty. And just take care of your shit. If you willing to get in this game, drive. Take care of your shit. Don't be out here speeding. Yeah. Going your whole motor out. You ain't got the money to fix it. You about your money, you gonna take care of this motherfucker. If you about having a job too, you gonna take care of them licenses. So just be real, bro. I only have about like 2 tickets. Today ain't even a ticket. But I ain't have about 2 tickets. One coming from Reno, got stuck in Truckee. Bam blew the scale on that one. But she dropped it down to a failure to obey a sign. So that was not even a moving violation. And bam, $200 ticket, paid that, got off. Then coming from the port of Oakland, 880 got stuck in that 3rd lane, pulled me over for that. Oakland, you go to court, not guilty, bam. Coronavirus hit, bam, woo, blew that shit all out. And officer never came to court. Bam, dropped that. That's good. I wear my mouthpiece today. I put it on. It was kind of loose. I'll be sticking with that shit. I just cleaned it and kept it on the dresser. We cleaning it with gas. Cleaning all that oil off. It's like they turn that oil to water, boy. Off, boy. Well, I got something to tell my company because the last guy that did this, he didn't do none of this. And they're a big company too, boy. So don't be fooled going to the big companies, think you're gonna get your shit fixed right. And all that. It's just all looks and taking your money. And there's a whole bunch of rookies there, bro. So you got a spot right here. Come on down San Leandro Street, man. What's that? JG's Truck Stop, LLC business. You got that LLC, you know you're a boss. Change what's that? Oil change and tires. And much more. There's much more on that motherfucker. Understand me? Yeah. What they call that, y'all? God knows. Shaft. Put that drive shaft in there. Put that gasket maker along with the gasket. Slide that right on the back. Famous guy right here. Good job, man. Say what's up to the people, man. Say what's up to the people, man. We in the town, man. We military, you understand that? Shit. We got bills to pay in this motherfucker. That's beautiful, boy. That's beautiful work right there, man. Now this guy deserve a damn tip. See that, boy? I better log in, man. Project Bezel, man. We've been doing big things, man. Project Bezel. You understand me? That air gun. I need a motherfucking gun like that. Shit, man. Shit, man. Shit, bro. This ain't even work to me, bro. It's not even work, bro. I just thought of that today, or the other day. I be chilling, bro. I be on the highway vibing. You don't put no gasket on that? Or is this gasket maker?
Those are the guys, man.
You don't need a gasket?
Those are gasket.
He said we don't need a gasket. He said we gotta use the gasket maker. See how you putting the lug nuts on there? Same way you do a tire. Yeah, that shit right. How long that's gonna take to drop? How long is it gonna take to drop? That gasket maker, the glue.
Only silicone.
24 hours? I can ride out and ain't gonna leak?
No.
That's so. So you know we're gonna have to double back, you understand me? We're gonna get the Benicia, take that thing out. Then let's see if he's finished. Man, he's finished. Stand on his word. Easy as that though. So I wanted to show y'all how easy some of these parts is. This is just big. And this is better than a little ass motor. I'm telling you. And it costs money. And if you willing to get down with your motor like that, get down with this shit. Especially the ones with big back doors, big ass parking lots, attached in the south or something. I'd be busting that bitch down if I had to. Yeah. Save a lot of money. I've seen somebody else do it like that too, no cap. There you have it. Tuning in to Project Bezel, you understand me? We're here in the town live, you understand that? Remember what's today's day, it don't matter. It's a good day, it's a bad day. Man, why don't you get up and make another, you feel me, dollar and keep on motherfucking pushing? Hey, I Gotta deal what I have to do for me and mine. Hope you gotta do what you gotta do for you and yours. You understand that? And we're gonna keep it pushing here live on you feel me, Project Buzzle. We got the little Scotty Pack, we missed that. You understand that? But don't waste your money in toys and trying to show off for the boys and get the little girls. Get your motherfucking money up, and one day you can run the motherfucking world. You understand that? And this is how you separate yourself and know the difference between people. You got your polite cats, nice cats, yes sirs, and that and that. Them the motherfuckers that be working at the bottom. They so nice because they don't know how to be. That's what they think they gotta be. Then you got the people that's getting your motherfucking money like me. I am a boss, you understand that? You feel me? I don't give a shit sometimes. And I do what I do, and I am polite. No, I got good customer service. Understand that? And I don't let nobody walk over me. You understand that? That's me. But a boss don't give a shit. I tell you like that. Motherfucker don't give a fuck. Talk his shit, do what the fuck he gotta do, and at the end of the day, he squashed that motherfucking beat. And then tomorrow we forget about our motherfucking problems, we move on, we gonna do this shit again. And we just gotta understand it's gonna be bad days, it's gonna be good days. But take them as they come, straight up, and forgive me at the end. You don't, hey, move on, know yourself and do your motherfucking thing. But that's how it is, man. Be a boss. Be somebody that, you feel me? Be at the top. Be at the lower, at the totem pole. You feel me? Stand up, own your shit. That's what it's about, man. Project Buzzing, man. We doing this shit.